Is it time to buy or sell Exxon stock? In this video, we will explore Exxon in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 2nd of October, 2024, and now we are here to offer you an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Since the 27th of September, 2024, our system has ranked Exxon as a strong buy candidate, awarding it of 6.57. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a gain of 4.92%. This equates to an average return of 1.23% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock has broken the horizontal trend upwards. Breaks like this are often followed by swift and strong movements. Any correction down to the break line at approximately $119.26 is considered a second chance to capitalize on a potential runner. However, it is crucial that volume follows the price, as false breaks can occur, causing the stock to revert back into the horizontal trend. Based on the rectangle formation theory, the stock is predicted to reach $128.69 sometime within the next 3 months. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 0.38% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 9.28% to negative 1.49%. As for the 12-month trend, it indicates a 14% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 1.42% and 21.85%. This translates to a price range of $123.24 to $148.07 after a year. Our latest daily update for Exxon includes the headline, Green Day on Wednesday for Exxon. The Exxon stock price gained 1.33% on the last trading day, Wednesday, the 2nd of October, 2024, rising from $119.93 to $121.52. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see if it continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the coming days. On the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.18%. with a low of $120.20 and a high of $122.82. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 6.06% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 4 million shares, with a total of 14 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $1.7 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $123.75, while the lowest price was $95.77. Currently, the price is 1.8% or $2.23 below the 52-week high and 3.97% or $5.02 below the all-time high reached on January 24, 2023, when the price peaked at $126.54. Exxon Mobil is currently attracting attention as geopolitical tensions in the Middle East lead to an increase in oil prices, significantly benefiting energy stocks. Shares of Exxon Mobil climbed in pre-market trading, reflecting a wider trend within the sector as investors respond to worries about possible disruptions in oil supply. Following Iran's missile strike on Israel, analysts are identifying oil stocks like Exxon Mobil as potential winners in this situation. further solidifying the company's strong position in an unpredictable market. In addition to rising oil prices, technical analyses emphasize ExxonMobil's performance, indicating favorable trends that could draw more investment. The optimistic outlook is strengthened by the notion that investors may view ExxonMobil as a dependable choice amid market fluctuations, especially as the company aims to become a dividend champion. In the short term, the increased demand for oil, spurred by global events, could provide immediate gains for ExxonMobil's stock price, as investors turn to energy stocks to safeguard against uncertainty. Long-term prospects also appear positive, with a focus on consistent dividend growth, making ExxonMobil an attractive option for those seeking stability and returns in their portfolios. As the markets experience volatility, ExxonMobil is likely to see sustained interest from both institutional and retail investors in the upcoming weeks and months. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 2nd of October, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned XOM an overweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 24th of September, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush rated XOM as outperform with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 16th of September, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs gave XOM a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, it was reported that Cowen & Company rated XOM as a buy with a hold action. On the same day, the 5th of August, 2024, it was also reported that UBS assigned XOM a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Exxon stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book value as sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Exxon. Overall, the chart presents mostly positive signals today. Exxon stock displays buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal arises from the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there is anticipated support from the levels of $117.02 and $115.58. A decline below any of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 26th of September, 2024, and since then, the stock has increased by 7.73%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal has been indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Despite price gains, volume decreased during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, close monitoring of the stock is advised. The stock experienced a golden star signal on Friday, the 27th of September, 2024 for the short term, and also received a golden star signal for the medium term on Wednesday, the 7th of August, 2024. A golden star signal occurs when the short-term moving average, long-term moving average, and price line converge in a unique combination. This occurrence is quite rare and is often followed by significant and sustained gains for the stock in question. Here are some additional signals that might catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 5 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy just 1 day ago. The short-term moving average presented a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 5 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 16 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Exxon. On the downside, this stock finds support just below today's level, stemming from accumulated volume at 115.01 and 114.77. There is always a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may then drop to its next support level. In this instance, Exxon has support just below today's mark at 115.01. Should this break, the next levels of support from accumulated volume will be at 114.77 and 114.58. Typically, this stock is traded at a solid volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is deemed to be low. Over the past day, the stock moved $2.62, reflecting a change of 2.18% between its high and low. For the last week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 2.59%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Exxon, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio could indicate either a low expectation for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 25th of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.93. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Exxon. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Exxon encounters its first support level at $115.01. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Exxon from multiple analyst sources is neutral. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 1st of July, 2024, when Taylor Jeffrey Allen executed an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. Our recommended stop loss is set at $117.85, reflecting a decrease of 3.02%. This stock demonstrates low daily price fluctuations, which translates to a lower risk profile. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 4 days ago. Is Exxon stock a good buy? Exxon presents several favorable indicators and has recently surpassed its horizontal trend line. Given the strong technical condition of the stock, we believe it is a solid choice at its current levels, with expectations for additional gains over the next 3 months. Upon evaluating the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 3rd of October, we anticipate Exxon to open lower by approximately 0.07 starting at $121.51. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with best regards from all of us at StockInvest.